Those of you only, I am back home for the holiday season and I want to start doing my rituals, but they are expensive. I started with eggs. When I came to this house, I don't get anything. I don't even get anything. So egg, not even after spirits, baba gomogo. Now I got start with egg. Around quasi for a long time. I know offer sacrifice there. I don't do some things where I see, but I know offer sacrifice there because I know if afford anything to go. I know if afford hen. Then I sacrifice cow to my NDH to this year. Start with egg. I started with egg, and even up to like 2 days ago, I was still using eggs. My Wadian, he comes back for the holiday season. As you know, such a one, okay. My Wadian, he comes back and before we even enter inside house, for a long time we were just outside. The first thing he tell me be say since February, he done the suffer so and so thing. Even his sister don't go. They don't even try his sister too. Both parents are dead. They disconnected from the other side. So now only was even, you know what I'm saying, we mount. Before we even enter inside, I don't even do things. I don't already start with egg. First of all, come out anything will be negative energy we want the drink in blood from him body. One egg. Luckily they had eggs at home. Go smash that one outside. Boy and tiwalu. See boy. Pokwali every day. No work was us in a village kita. In a hometown kita. Baba fireworks. Baba can see when well egg we done by egg we in mama done sit on top and we ain't supposed come put ife. Him con no put ife. Yota the all go involved. Piawa and easy. Right outside, not in your compound at all on the road. You are using come any such energy with that egg mean from your energy, from your people, from your shade, from your business. If you okay. The piano is easy. Can't carry ash because onion ni kill drum me want to make shame no come on you. Say now that egg we don't shame like this now they go sprinkle that ash on. Say no be you. You can't line up gunpowder in front of them. No use light and make your hand no go burn. No use light and make your hand no go burn. No keep the other gunpowder nearby because it will explode coming to that one. One of our elder onion come back. My cousin can't start to narrate the pain when and his sister go through again this year. Ndioka, yeah. Fucking powerless things. Like, the thing now with this organic feeds you now to be like, Nah, I say, nah, if you want me. Yeah. Start to laugh, like, powerless laugh of, nah, like, what was it? Just powerless emoji. Like, now, so if young man dying now, only your father now will fall out, say, the Lord brings and the Lord take care of you. And it was interesting to hear Eche Mole say that thing in Afro-Puritan podcast. Something where they use the app Christians, now go they talk as, what can we do? The Lord brings and the Lord bets respect. After the first egg of removing anything, the second egg is like, which you can find a video of in my YouTube. Search Israel egg appeasement Alusi Pablo. Pop up. I bring egg and oil and salt, and he does his his ndichi, his chi, his water, every of his source energies, because it's source energy that we are doing in spirituality, not one energy from Israel or wherever the hell, or Ethiopia or wherever. The one in our house, encode the number. We do this and we smash the egg to the ancestors. Kungwani bamboo. This is Okungwani bamboo. This is also Okungwani bamboos. And this is Okungwani bamboo. Long story, yeah, but start with eggs. As you come back house now, start with eggs. Do 3 eggs. Do the tiwalu. Ideally with a dead egg. And Akwa, ask for Akwa. Do it a normal egg, even though that's still what the Akwa would have done, right? Then do it a normal egg now with salt and oil. Easy way.